Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of this Ninja soup maker. It's a hot and cold blender, but it's got lots of other functions as well. I mainly use it for soup making. Lots of videos on my channel, so please go check them out. But we're going to have a look at the functions today, take a look around the unit and give you my thoughts on the machine. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time a new video goes up. So here is the soup maker itself. Lots of functions there, as you can see. We've got the power button there, the clean mode, smoothie mode, frozen drink, dessert and milkshake. They're all in the blend section. In the cook section we have smooth soup, chunky soup, jam and sauce. We've got a pre-cook section there with chop and saute. We have a little manual mode down here with blend and cook, and we also have a pulse option there with low, medium and high. So looking up, this is the jug itself. Very sturdy, very thick glass. The whole unit is very well made, quite a heavy unit. And when it does the blend, you know, it does shake about a bit, but it is very secure. As I said, I mainly use this for the soup functions, chunky soup and smooth soup. So it does come with this lovely little booklet here, and it's got the Ninja Foodie blender and soup maker, and this is the inspiration guide. So lots of recipes in there. There's some tips on how to load it up for drinks, some information there about how to create your own custom chunky soups, how to create your custom smooth soups, and then we've got some soup recipes here. Tomato and basil soup, tells you exactly what to do, very informative. A few others there as well. Chicken and noodle, we've got mushroom soup, leek and potato soup, chunky vegetable soup. I think most people would use this machine for soups. White bean minestrone, and then we're on to sauces and jams, so you can make some tomato sauce, or ketchup as you call it in the United States. Alfredo sauce, spinach and artichoke dip. You can make jams, berry jams, simple jams. And then we go to the drinks, frozen margaritas, some frozen strawberry drink, morning berry smoothie, a pineapple and strawberry morning blast. Also you can do vanilla milkshakes, chocolate milkshakes. All the ingredients are there, tells you what to do. Desserts and treats, chocolate fondue, so you can make your own chocolate fondues. Frozen hot chocolate, not sure how that works. Peanut butter hot chocolate, sounds disgusting. Blueberry vanilla freeze, coconut pineapple sorbet, and here we've got vanilla peppermint ice cream. So that's the leaflet out the way, really informative. But yeah, this is an amazing little machine. I think it retails at about £160 in the UK. It's well worth the money, I think. I've been using it for lots of soups. You can check those out on my channel. But yeah, I really love this machine and would recommend it to anybody looking to make their own homemade soups. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found that informative. Please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. Hit the like button, leave any comments down below. If you've got this machine, let me know how you're getting on with it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.